What is UX design in 90 seconds? Let's do it. Have you ever had a frustrating experience online? I mean, who hasn't? You're on a website trying to buy a new dresser and gosh darn it, you can't figure out where the button is to purchase it. And you can't even find a customer support option. You get so frustrated that you want to just throw your laptop across the room, pull your hair, and just give up completely. We've all been there. But guess who else it was bad for? The business. They are losing out on potentially thousands, if not millions, of paying customers. If only there was someone out there whose sole focus was to improve the customer experience, to make not only the dresser easy to buy online, but thought about giving you free shipping and even has an option for you to have someone to come into your house and assemble the dresser for you. The job of a UX designer is to design the best possible customer experience while simultaneously driving the brand's business objectives. And UX designers aren't just tied to online experiences. They design product experiences, in-store or in-person experiences as well. Now, if you enjoyed the last 90 seconds of your life, you feel like you got something, I have another video coming out, what is the UX design process in 90 seconds. Watch out for that video.